In this video, I will tell you how to drop a pin in Google Maps. So first of all, we will open up the Maps application here, and let's suppose that if you want to drop a pin on this road here, so you will actually just tap and hold here, and it will the maps will actually show you the information about this location. Okay, so if you want, you can actually turn on the navigation towards this point here, and if you want, you can actually save this. Okay, like if you want to go travel plans, and let's suppose favorites here, and click on done. And the next things that you can do, actually you can actually share this location. So if you want to click on share, you can actually share this through WhatsApp chats, and if you click on more, you can actually share this location with any of the apps. Okay, so that's like how to drop a pin in Google Maps. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.